What's up, everybody? It's your guy Jimmie Howard from myadvisorjimmyhoward.com, and today you are tuning in to another edition of Generational Wealth Wednesday. Thank you for tuning in. For those of you who are experiencing me for the first time, again, my name is Jimmie. I'm a financial advisor based out of the Atlanta, Georgia area, and I work with small business owners and individuals on wealth accumulation, preservation, and transfer. Last video, we discussed APY, or annual percentage yield, and how to use that as the benchmark when deciding which savings bank accounts may be best for you or best suited for you. So today, I want to talk to you guys about another type of savings account that you may not even consider, but you are very well familiar with. So let me ask you this. What if I told you there was a savings account available to you right now that guarantees you an interest rate, also cannot lose money due to the performance of a stock market? So no matter if the market is up or down, your money is not directly invested into the stock market, so you don't have to worry about any losses. What about also it pays a death benefit in the event of an untimely demise? Of course, I never heard of, I'm sure you never heard of, anyone that dies when they were supposed to. They die right on time. That's a phrase I'm pretty sure you'll never hear. But it pays a death benefit in the event of an untimely demise. Also, you can borrow from this type of account. It's liquid. What do I mean by liquid? When I say liquid, that means how fast can this asset be turned into cash? So in the event of an emergency, how soon can you turn it into cash? It's liquid. And you can use it as collateral. So because it's an asset, in the event that you ever needed to get a loan from a bank, a credit union, or maybe even a private investor, you have an asset that you could possibly own right now that you can collateralize. So what am I talking about? What if I told you this product is life insurance? Yes, you heard me right, life insurance. And of course, I'm a champion for life insurance because that's pretty much how I cut my teeth in the financial services industry. And I also believe that life insurance is the foundation for anybody's generational wealth building strategy. Now, a lot of you guys watching this video, you may be millennials just like me. So if you are a millennial, maybe you just now made real life, you just had real life events to occur. You might have just got married. You might have just purchased a house. You might have gave birth to your first child. So right now, you're in the asset accumulation phase. So you may not have acquired all the assets that you would like to have, but yet and still the little that you do have, you want to not only protect, but in the event that you don't get the chance to accumulate all those assets, you want to make sure that you're not exposing your loved ones to any type of financial hardships. So life insurance allows you to do that. It's a way for you to buy money, in my opinion. So in the event that, again, your untimely death, you have money set aside to pay off college or pay off the house, or to make sure, your husband or wife doesn't have to immediately go back to work, but she can have the proper time that she needs to actually grieve and heal. That's the power of life insurance. So all these things are available when you use a life insurance policy versus using just a standard savings account. I'm a real big person on value. And what I mean by value, I'm a value-based shopper, meaning that I consider price, but if I can get more value for the same price, more than likely I'm going to go with this more value product. So all of these things are available with life insurance, but not just any type of life insurance. You have to get this type of life insurance that I'm referring to is customized to each individual. So you may want to reach out to someone, like a financial advisor, or just reach out to me. It's something that I can assist you with. But so it's not just any type of life insurance. It's a specific type of life insurance that I'm referring to. But one other thing that I want to mention, since it's around that season of college, one of the things that you may not know about life insurance is that it's also used, it's very important when you're doing, like if you have a kid that's going off to college. So in terms of FAFSA, one of the things that they ask you about on FAFSA are about your assets. So they want to know how much money you got in your checkings account, how much money you got in your savings account, how much money you got in stocks. So they want that type of information. But one of the things that they don't ask you about is your life insurance. How much cash value do you have in your life insurance? Well, guess what? Like I just told you, just like a savings account, money inside your life insurance policy is just as liquid as if it was in a savings account. So you can use life insurance as a way to lower your expected family contribution by simply change the way or change where you save your money. So once again, if you have money in the savings account, legally you have to report that money when you're filling out that FAFSA for your child. But life insurance isn't one of the things that you have to disclose when you're filling out that FAFSA form. A lot of wealthy people have already been using this secret for years and years and years. So again, this is my attempt to enlighten you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content for today. Remember, like, share, subscribe. You can follow me online at Instagram, my advisor Jimmie Howard, or you can go to my website, www.myadvisorjimmyhoward.com. Again, thank you guys for watching. Remember, money doesn't solve everything, but money does solve money problems. Peace.